Alright, we're back again. This one will be a little quicker. So, as I showed in the previous video, that pipe down there meets up with the other header over here. And we're going to try and disconnect some crusty bolts, see if we can snap some bolts. Hopefully not. That would be unfortunate. But if we do, we do. If not, oh well. So we'll get underneath there, take a look at those, and see what we got to do. Alright, under the truck here now. You can see this pipe leads to wide open there. And that's passenger side, that's also wide open. So the Y pipe connects here, and then is supposed to lead to that gaping hole. So the goal today is to try and either get those nuts off or pull the studs out. Either way, I don't really have a preference. Doesn't matter much to me. This is the other side. Thankfully, both sides don't seem too hard to get to. That one might be kind of a squeeze to get something in there. Come on, focus on it. There you go. Got that one there. And the second one there. But we should be able to get on both of them. Either get them broken free or snapped off. Either way, we'll get something to move. Let's get her jacked up so we're not kissing the belly pans and stuff. Looks good to me. Alright, back under here. Found the right socket size, 11/16. Yeah, get right on there. Dugga-duggas, engage. Can't believe that came off that nicely. That was way too easy. Alright, what are the chances both of them cooperate? Let's find out. Wow, that was also way too easy. That's weird. Let's unplug this O2 sensor before I forget and rip the cord out. The plug just falls right up here. It's real close to it. Nothing fancy. So I'm going to use two hands on that so I don't pull the plug apart. Just a pretty standard push lock. Push the little tab. Unlatches. Round 3-prong plug. So that way we don't rip it out of the... Either rip it out of this plug or tear the wires out as we go to pull the entire pipe out of here. Alright, I was able to get on the guy up there. Let's see how nicely this side comes apart. I guess it's going to cooperate as well. That's nice. Alright, last one here. Let's see if it cooperates. Yes, it did. I'm going to put this camera down and catch this pipe before it crushes my teeth. Alright, the pipe's hanging on by absolutely nothing now, so let's pull it out of there. See how much dirt and rust we can get in our eyes. Mind you, this one has been cut. This is not what the full pipe looks like. Alright, there is the pipe. Set it up on the bench here. It's had a patch job done. I'm not too worried about that though. It's doing just fine. That's where it was cut. So it comes out of these pipes here, then it goes into one, and that's where it connects to the other hole that's back there. The flanges look really good actually on this. I still can't believe how good a shape all the stuff is on this truck. The mating faces look good too. They're not, they're rusty, but they're not pitted out. Not so much that I'm worried about it. All right, that was just a quick one. We'll leave it there. I'm not sure if I'm going to try and modify the current pipe or if I'm going to try and find a separate one to connect up to the rest of the exhaust. But once I figure something out, I'll make another update and let you guys know.